Thanks, real slim. I know.
Hey,
what
Martin.
happens if you're on a boat? Yeah. And you
That
fall-
girl, that blonde before,
Uh-huh.
I think she was right.
You like her?
No, she was right about what she said about that guy.
How do you know?
The guy with the brown shirt.
Why? See, they always believe each
I'll
other.
tell you how I know.
Yeah?
He touched me a little bit.
Get out of
He
here.
just did. He touched me.
Get out of
He
here.
did.
How do you
And
wear?
he's kind of cute, but it doesn't make
Are
it
you
right.
are you okay?
Show me.
I'm fine.
What
for it,
exactly
but,
did he do? Did he
well,
just kind of
did a
brush
little,
against
no,
you
it was
like
more
this?
than a brush. No, it was more
Did he
than a
reach up
rub.
behind you, just kind of reach in
no,
front of you?
It was more than a
Did he
rub.
get a handful?
He did. He didn't. It was. It
Hold
was
on,
like
hold
a
on,
rope.
hold on.
It was like a.
Why would he rope you?
Excuse me.
I'm not. No, I just mean like.
Yeah, you know, I would think you'd be more Flemish if he had actually touched you.
Well, it was more action than I've gotten in a long time.
Did you touch him back?
But it doesn't make it right.
Did you touch him back?
A little bit, because the hallway's so narrow.
I would like to get his side of the story. Curtis, go talk to him. Bring him in here.
Yeah.
Where is he? Is he in the car?
The guy with the brown
Bring him
shirt
in.
and
We'll have
his
a
tan
little
The
people's court thing. You need to call the
tall guy?
conductor. Oh, please, do we?
Yeah, the
Sure, what
big
do
guy.
we
He's
do?
kind of a little big.
Walk up to him and dazzle him with your hair, and then when he's disoriented,
What is
grab him
that?
and bring him in
This is-
here.
You can
know
go
what?
because
Not
I'm
so
not
much.
going. Black people always die first in the movies.